Welcome to the Goldberg family's slice of paradise. Dive deep into luxury with this breathtaking pool renovation, brought to life by Florida Stucco's Capri Finish. Nestled in the very heart of Florida, this pool is where artistry truly meets nature. The showstopper? That absolutely mesmerizing infinity edge. Just watch as water cascades, seamlessly merging the pool with the canal and beautifully blurring the lines between the crafted and the natural. Florida Stucco's Capri Finish? It was the absolute game changer. Not only is it durable, but its diverse range of colors and textures make it the perfect match for Florida's iconic sun-kissed setting. You can almost feel the elegance underfoot, beckoning you, inviting you to dive into its warm embrace. From being just another pool to an absolute masterpiece, this renovation is a harmonious blend of imagination and the finest materials. It's a true testament to what's achievable when creativity meets unparalleled quality. Ready for a dip? Dive into this luxurious blend of art and nature. And let's not forget a special shout out to Jandy for their invaluable contribution to this stellar project. Dreaming of a pool paradise? Dive into a world of luxury with at JMC Pools.